The Vjosa Valley, which constitutes 16% of Albania's territory and includes the district of Gjirokastra, Përmet, Vlora, Fier, Korça and Berat, offers stunning views along the entire length of the Vjosa River and is an excellent ecotourism destination. The river originates in the Pindi Mountains in Ioannina, Greece, and flows into the Adriatic Sea. With 192 of its 272 kilometers inside Albania. With dense vegetation, mountains, plateaus, small islands and white pebble beaches, Vjosa offers impressive natural spectacles. Great activities such as water sports and interesting habitats for several migratory birds, especially the rare, endemic and endangered species. In ancient times, Vjosa was considered a sacred river. Today the river, with 130 natural monuments, is protected and is one of the last wild rivers left in Europe.